Alright, well, you saw the unboxing vidya. Look at this shit. -2 degrees Celsius. Fuck that. Oh, battery too low. Battery yourself. Anywho, well, there's no fucking, well, there's the backyard light. Let's see, what can you see? There's the windows. There's the motherfucker. Oh, Jesus Christ. Got this fucking cider. It's too goddamn sweet for me. Holy shit, I'm not a sweet cider feller. Anyway, heat's on. Chair's out. Watching fucking Back to the Future on the television, but, you know, on account of the copyright fucking bullshit. There you go. Anyway, there's the project there. Built this ghetto little shelf for it. Plan was originally to have this pipe kind of come down, wrap around, and go out through this old hole where I used to have a furnace actually outside built into a shed. However, that wasn't going to work, so we just kind of stabbed it out that way. And now I should probably put a gust there, but it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid, so it's pretty good. It's running off a deep cycle, which is attached to a what do you call it? Like a battery tender sort of thing. So it charges while it's not being used, and it doesn't get used a whole hell of a lot. It won't, because it's really only my working in here heater. That guy up there, that's the keep it above 0 degrees freezing in the garage heater. That's what keeps my products and crap there from going bad. Keeps my murder cycle from getting too cold, and my walker from freezing up, because I need that. And yeah, those are the ramps for my car dolly. They're just kind of shoved back there. Anyway, but this actually all worked out really, really well. So there it is. That's it. It's got like a 5-6 liter, something like that, diesel tank on there. And you can actually see the fuel level on it. It's not bad. And that says "fuck Trudeau," just for anybody who was wondering. It is on a very slight slant this way. That's because the fuel pickup tube is right about there on the back of the tank. So I wanted it just kind of slanted just a touch. So it was actually planned. That was the idea. It is screwed as well to this table. Okay, and when I say we, I mean me, because, you know, I'm by myself. All I did was stab a hole through the wood, cut out a piece of sheet metal, and stab her through there. It's good. Doesn't get hot. Doesn't start fires or anything like that. It's been running all day on heat number 5, between 3 and 5, or sorry, 3 and 4. And that's how much fuel it's used out of like 5-6 liter tank. So it's pretty good. Happy with it, and it's quite warm in here. I think this actually tells you the temperature on it. It says that it's 23 in here. It's not 23 over here by the door, but it's probably about 20-ish. It's not too far off, so that's pretty awesome. So that's it. That's the unbox video. That's the unit working. That's it plumbed out. The air intake I just kind of shoved over there. It doesn't need to go outside. It's actually more efficient for it to be inside. So that's it. That's it. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in the house now, and I'm gonna finish putting that shit back together. I'm gonna go back in the house now and get my kids off to bed, because they got to go to school in the morning, and I got to go to shitty old work. Cheers, and fucking dirty old Growers fucking Cider Co. Honeycrisp apples. I really like Honeycrisp apples to eat, but I mean, like, I wouldn't make cider out of them. It's way too fucking sweet. Anyway, cheers. And I'm going to trade this in for some beers.